Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. In today's video guys, I'll be showing you how you can transform your dark lips into a very beautiful, supple and soft lips. Okay, we are going to be doing pink lip balm at home and we only need 3 ingredients to do that. And the pink lip balm, it will transform your dark and the chap lips to a very soft and supple lips. Okay, so without much talk, let's get right into it. So to make the pink lips balm, the first thing you will need is blue seal Vaseline. Go ahead and get blue seal Vaseline, then take small amount of it, add it into the plate. So we'll be using blue seal Vaseline because it helps to moisturize the lips and hydrate the lips. It helps to lock in moisture to the lips, preventing chap and the crack lips. Okay, so that's it. After adding 1 tablespoon of the Vaseline into the plate, you go ahead and melt it using double boiling method. So guys, this pink lips balm is super effective. It's very effective guys. The only thing you have to do is to be consistent with it. Yes, you have to be consistent and it will work for you. So after that, the next thing to add is coconut oil. Coconut oil is very good for the lips because coconut oil is very rich in lauric acid. It deeply moisturizes and protects the lips from barriers that makes it crack and chap. So guys, you can even use only coconut oil to make this. Yes, if you don't want to use Vaseline, you can just use only coconut oil. So after melting it, the next thing to add is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an intense moisturizer. It's a very great hydrator as it helps to seal moisture inside your lips and aids in slowing down dehydration. So applying vitamin E on the lips helps a lot. It can also help to close up those painful cracks in the skin and on the lips. Okay, so after adding the vitamin E oil, now you take it off the cooker. Here is it. So here I didn't let it cool down. So when I added the red pigment, this is edible red food color. Okay, so when I added it, it didn't mix up. Like they didn't mix up, it didn't mix together. So I had to leave it to cool down so it can mix very well. As you can see, it's not mixing, so I have to let it to cool down. So when you are making your own, let the oil cool down so that when you add the red pigment, it will mix when you are turning it. Now it has cooled down and I turned it. They are beginning to mix. As you can see, they are beginning to mix. Okay, so the thing here is that you have to let it cool down before you add the red pigment. Okay, so that's it. Now you mix very well. After mixing, you check the color. If it's not as red as you want, you go ahead and add more of the food color. Okay, so that's it. I am using red food color. You can use pink one depending on the color you want to achieve. Okay, so after adding, I went ahead and I mixed very well, mix it properly, mix to make sure that everything is well mixed. Okay, so then you get a very clean container. Go ahead and transfer it into the container because this is what you will be using every day. Okay guys, so you can use this for 1 month, you can use it for 3 weeks. You don't need to worry, it will not spoil. Yes, you can use it for 1 month or 2 weeks depending on the quantity you made. So after that, the remaining one in the plate, we are still going to make use of it. Okay, so for that one in the plate, all you have to do is to go ahead and get sugar. You can use white sugar, you can use brown sugar. Then you go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of sugar into the plate. Once that is done, you mix it very well. This one will serve as a lip scrub. We use it to scrub the lips to get rid of any dead cells on the lips, to get rid of any crack or anything that is not wanted on the lips. Scrubbing the lips will help to get rid of it. So this is what we'll be using to scrub the lips. So let's try it. So we are done making it. Here I have the pink lips with me, but because for the first time you will be trying it, you don't just go ahead and apply it directly. The first thing you have to do is to take the scrub, and this is the scrub. Go ahead and take a cotton wool, take some amount of it, and start by scrubbing your lips to get rid of any dead cells on your lips. Okay, so you go ahead and start scrubbing it. You can use your toothpaste to do this. You can use toothpaste to do this. Don't worry, all the ingredients we use are edible, so even if you swallow it, it's not a problem. Okay, but please don't swallow. Don't swallow it. So go ahead and scrub both up and down lip. After scrubbing it, you use another cloth or cotton wool to wipe it out. As you can see, after scrubbing, my lips are already giving. Look at, they are already giving. So imagine when you try this for about 1 week. Imagine what would be the change. You should try it consistently for 1 week. You will surely come back and thank me later. So after scrubbing, you clean up your lips. Then you go in with the balm. Go ahead, take small amount of it. I'm licking my lips already because it tastes so good. So you go ahead and take small amount of it. Apply on your lips. With consistency, within 1 week, you begin to see your lips transforming into a very soft and supple lips. Okay, guys? So this is how you can make your own pink lip balm at home. This is how you can make your own pink lip balm at home. So you see, I will advise you apply this mostly at night. Even if you skip morning time, don't skip the night time, okay? Because you just apply it and go to sleep, okay? So this is it. This is how you make your own pink lip balm at home, guys. It's super easy, right? So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Comment and share, and I will see you in my next one. For now, bye.